Hello ladies and gentlemen, Railroad 82 here, your railroad archaeologist. Today is our annual checkup, not for anything health related, but for the CSX Homestead Subdivision. Don, one of my best and long-time subscribers, gave me a little heads up that there was some activity going on at the CSX Homestead Sub, so he told me to take a look down here to see what was going on and join me on this quest. So right now I'm at Southwest 137th Avenue, Wagon southbound. These are your FPL overhead power lines, your signals, which are still folded up, but I think there is some, he was right, there's definitely some change in the air here. I'll show you when I get to the crossing. Okay ladies and gentlemen, so at first glance, yeah, you see the signals folded up, business as usual, but such is not the case. So yes, you have your signals folded up here, gates removed, etc., etc. However, there are a couple of changes. So yeah, here you have your emergency contact info, dot tag, boom. That's S-Line extension, Homestead Subdivision, mile marker 54.60. Safe Tran signal base, Safe Tran gate mechanism, e-bell up top, Safe Tran LED lights all the way around. Funny thing is though, oh yeah, I was gonna say 54.60 is a milepost, but it's implied that from Virginia to here, where this started, there's 54 or 1,054 miles. So this is the change I was talking about. Resurrection. This bad boy was stuck in the ground, well, was installed over here last year, or last couple of years, letting crews know that from here on was the abandoned section, but CSX came through here and removed that sign, and it seems that they did some weed control. Look at this. You guys remember the video here last year that it was all past my head, and I'm a pretty tall guy, I'm 6'1", so yeah, it was, you couldn't see forward like 2 feet, and now you can actually see the horizon over there. Check it out. So there might be some positive signs, some reason for optimism over here. That's south track view southwest. So yeah, these rails, or this track, was built in 1926 by Seaboard Air Line to promote tourism to the area. The last train here was about 09, the last unit train, somewhere in that neighborhood. Then it was used for storage. Then 2016, the last train came through here to remove all the stored cars, and in 2019 they filed for abandonment. And here we are, 2023. Who knows? I mean, last year the future seemed darker for this track than it does today. So, stop? I think not. My goodness, okay. You imagine if there's ever any activity down this way again, that would be spectacular, because everybody thought this was a lost cause, but that is a sign of positivity, I think. And then on this side, you guys know the same setup, all of you loyal subscribers, but for you newbies, we have a Harman cantilever over here. Safe Tran lights folded up, Safe Tran gate mechanism, Safe Tran signal base. a lot of traffic, gonna make a run for it. And yeah, same setup on this side. So you have your emergency contact info, signals folded up, rainy day. So yeah, I BS you not, it's rained. Oh, there you go, the relay case. In Miami, it's rained every single day since May. And here you have track view northeast, about let's say 1,000 feet down to your right hand side is a Gold Coast Railroad Museum. All right, guys and gals, let me know what you think about this optimism over here. Is it a false sense of security, or what do you think? Give a thumbs up, it helps me in the YouTube algorithm, as well as comments. Always a pleasure. Take care. Bye-bye.